And we are in front of this new Karman Duncan 550 2025 model, being slightly longer than the compact one, and we are looking at the specs of 545 with the final price CMT 74,550. But looking inside, we are looking at an amazing configuration with the pop-up roof opening from the back. So this means one thing: you can slide out this sitting area and get a double bed. But when getting inside, you can almost stand also in the front part of this campervan, looking at around a complete set of great things. First of all, we have a 2-burner stove and a sink, just like standard campervans, much bigger of this size. The other side, we have all the control units laid out in this cabinet. We have a 600-watt inverter, 12 volts and 220 volts. On this part, we have the part where the bed slides down, and a domestic fridge of a smaller size. It's pretty decent for this campervan with a small freezer. Getting on the back, we shall be looking at additional cabinet space, and also on this part, well, pretty a lot of cabinet space, and then a nice unit right here. But on this part we have a full integrated Thetford cassette toilet, and well, this is a shower unit where you can take a shower without any problems. Well, and the standing is pretty high, so on 185, no problems at all. And we shall be exiting from this part, getting to have a look around, and then I will be getting back to check the back side, this Duncan 550, so we understand how much space you have left when you actually have a fully cassette toilet with shower and a small door. On the lower part you have the cassette toilet extraction part, and this is actually, the kitchen is going straight to the back side of the Karman Mobile Duncan for the 2025 edition.